Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones 1More using your Android device. So basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a control panel, and right here we can check a battery level. But make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone, of course. Now the second one is to open settings, go to connected devices, and right here we can also check a battery level. Now the last one option is to use an application. So just open it, and right here at the top we have a battery level of the left one and right one earbuds, and also a charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.